Hello everyone! Welcome to Jojo Bragais, and this is Grand Assembly 2026, Dimala Stylist Philippines King and Queen. My name is DJ Alvin from EuroTV Philippines Entertainment. Live din napapanood every Wednesday 2:30 until 4 p.m. sa EuroTV Philippines on our Facebook page, YouTube channel and TikTok, EuroTV Philippines Entertainment, and Pinoy Extreme Channel Signal 106, Sky Cable 217. At this point, mga kasikat, kasama ko ang isa sa mga beauty queens ng Dimala Stylist Philippines, ang ating 5th runner-up Miss Philippine Global 2024. Kamusta ka naman?
Okay lang po. Kayo po?
Eto, pogi pa din, Char. Kinakabahan ka ba? Kung hindi naman.
Like,
Parang sanay na sa mga ganitong interview. Anyway, bago ang lahat, pakilala ka muna sa mga online viewers and sa mga viewers natin.
hello po. Ako po si Jillian Tricia Del Moro, 16 years old from Laurel, Batangas.
Miss Jillian, di ba last time nag-guest ka na sa show ko, no?
Opo.
Kailan to nangyari? Parang last year, 2025 or 2024?
2024
2024. Kailan ka babalik sa show ko? Medyo matagal, no? Kung kailan i-invite. Taga saan ka, Miss Jillian?
Taga Batangas po.
Batangas. Uy, Batangas. Speak of Batangas, baka naman. Kaping barako dyan. Tsaka yung ang tawag doon, yung hakubina. Sarap doon. Padala mo naman ako pa LBC mo.
Sige po.
Sabi mo kay Mami, yung hakubina isang box. Favorite ko talaga yun. Ay, ikaw pala, oo. LBC mo, Jillian. Kaping barako. Hello po. Ayan, so Jillian, so bago tayo mag-start ng ating conversations, may mga gusto ka bang batiin muna sa mga viewers natin? Go!
I would like to say thank you to my parents for being here and to my friends and families who support me. And I also want to say thank you to Miss Annabel Balala and her family, and especially to Sir Jojo Bragais for having me here, and to you, Sir DJ, and to all the media.
Yes. Ikaw ba may planong lumaban international, Miss Jillian?
Well, gusto ko po talaga. I really want to join internationally again. If I was given the same opportunity again to compete, I would.
Wow, di ba? Talaga napaka-blessed ni Miss Jillian. Miss Jillian, if I don't mind, ilang taon ka na nga ulit?
16 po.
16 years old. Ba't gano'n? Lagi na lang yung mga in-interview ko, mga 16, 11, pero ang tatangkad nila, ako na nawala na sa kalendaryo. Ito pa rin yung height ko, lang pinagbago. Anyway, naniniwala naman ako kahit maliit man sa inyong paningin, pogi pa din. Char! Okay, Miss Jillian, are you ready for the Q&A?
Yes po.
Siguro naman sanay ka na sa mga gantong larangan, di ba? Kasi, maliban sa pagiging student mo, sumasali ka na ba talaga sa mga pageant?
Opo, I started joining beauty pageant since I was 7 years old.
7 years old? Really? Lumalabang ka na sa mga pageant. Anong unang pageant ang nilaban mo?
Lumaban po ako sa isang regional pageant sa amin pong barangay, and then I was asked if I would join nationally sa Batangas po, and I joined 2 times. I won first runner-up and I won the title.
And napasama ka ba that time na sa regional competition ng Dimala Stylist Philippines, so Kids and Teens sa Batangas na nangyari, di ba?
Sa Calabarzon.
Oo, yeah.
Opo.
Wow. And ano nakuha mo doon?
I wasn't joined that time. I was a guest.
Oh, okay. Anyway, so dahil isa ka sa mga joining pageants, sumasali sa mga larangan, so I have a few questions for you. Are you ready? Okay. I think aware ka naman sa mga government issue natin ngayon, at narinig mo naman yung aking mga questions kanina pa, at may idea ka na sa mga tanong ko. Okay, Miss Jillian. So, what do you think is the biggest problem facing young people today?
I think it will be poverty. If we would give everyone access to education, such as not just the youth, but everyone, if we can give everyone access to education, such as free stops for school, I think we could give solution to poverty.
Oh.
Because education is very important for us today.
Yes, kasi karamihan ngayon sa mga kabataan, hindi na nila, kumbaga napapabayaan na nila yung pag-aaral nila nang dahil lang sa mga gantong gadgets, na sanay na sila sa TikTok, di ba yung pag-aaral nila nakakalimutan na, di ba, kahit yung paggalang natin sa mga nakatanda, nakakalimutan na rin nila. So, gusto ko your Gusto ko yung arte-arte. Anyway, next question. If you could change one thing about the world, what would it be, Miss Jillian?
I would change one thing. It will be how we view other people's values. If we could teach people that to do not look on how people look, on how high their status is, I think we could have a better world by teaching people to be kind to one another, no matter what status, what color or how people view you. I think if we could be kind to one another, we could teach people to have a better world.
And of course, number one is the attitude.
Yes.
Diba? And the values. Kasi ngayon, wala na yung GMRC Tinanggal na yung GMRC, which is good moral and right conduct. Kaya karamihan din yung sa mga kabataan, mga kasikat, is napakawalang galang na, lalo na sa mga magulang. Ang hirap nilang intindihin. Yung parang tipong, yung mga bata pa, yung mga nanay pa, as in, ang natatakot sa mga bata ngayon. Diba? Ganon ka ba sa nanay mo? Oo. Mabait ka ba sa nanay mo? Oo, diba? Kaya naman, panawagan ko, ibalik niya ang GMRC, diba? And last question, Miss Jillian. Speaking of beauty, I think lahat naman tayo may kagandahan. Lahat tayo hindi ka ng Diyos ng may itsura, kay maganda, kay pangit, nilikha pa rin tayo ng Diyos. Beauty pa rin yun, diba? So, speaking of beauty, how do you define beauty and why do you believe it is important in today's society, Miss Jillian?
I think beauty is from within. If you are kind and if you help others and if you're a person with a good heart, then you have that beauty that is very important in today's world. Especially in today's world, there's so many bad things happening, such as not all people are given the same opportunities as everyone else. And if we could teach everybody to be kind, I think that's the true beauty that we need.
Yes. And karamihan din sa mga may beauty ngayon, no? Ang lakas ng kanilang tag dito, yung tipong confidence, no? Yung tipong akala mo nila ang ganda-ganda na sa sarili, pero ang pangit naman ng ugali. Diba? Kalimitan din sa mga sumasali sa pageant, yung kahit pangit ka, pinipilit pa rin nilang sumali. Diba? Ayan. Thank you so much for that wonderful answer, Miss Jillian. And congratulations. Sana, mabigyan ka ng pagkakataon na mag-join international ulit. No? So, I hope so and in God's will. So, bago tayo mag-stop, Jillian, baka may mga gusto kang pasalamatan ngayon. Go.
I want to say thank you to everyone, especially to my titos and ninos, Tito Gibot and Ninong Randy, and to all my supporters, and of course, Miss Annabel Balala, and to you, Sir DJ, and to Sir Jojo Bergais.
Thank you so much. And of course, baka meron kang mga social media accounts to promote po.
My Facebook account is Jillian Tricia Del Mora po, and same as my IG account.
Yeah. Do you have some upcoming events or fashion show or any projects to come?
I don't know it yet.
Oh, not yet.
But hopefully.
Yeah, in God's will also. Alright. So, Di Mala Stylist Philippines, Ma'am Annabel Balala, what is your message for her?
Miss Annabel?
Yeah.
I want to say thank you for giving me, not me only, but to everybody and this opportunity to be here and to compete internationally and nationally. Thank you so much, Miss Annabel Balala, for your kindness. You're a true superhero. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Jillian. And it's an honor to be with you right now. Maraming salamat and have a nice day. Nilalamig ka din. Thank you so much.
So bright, step in the room, they all take a glance. Gown or tux, we're caught in a trance.